Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Grammarly app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Grammarly app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Grammarly, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the downloading page of the website. And once you're on this website, next, I want you to click this Get Grammarly button right here. And after clicking it, your Grammarly app installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Grammarly app will now be installed, so you can now start using the app. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.